'26 Buick Enclave is a blend of American sophistication, practicality, and modern technology, made for those who want luxury without shouting it out loud. From the moment you see it, the Enclave makes an impression with its sleek, sculpted body lines, wider front grille featuring Buick's Tri-Shield logo, and signature wing-shaped LED headlights that give it a refined and upscale presence. Every inch feels carefully crafted, from the floating roofline to the chrome accents that highlight its curves, creating a balance between elegance and aerodynamics. Inside, the Enclave feels more like a high-end lounge than a family SUV. The cabin is whisper quiet, thanks to acoustic insulation and Buick's quiet tuning technology. Premium materials, soft touch surfaces, and available perforated leather seats enhance comfort and style. The 2026 model includes a 12.3-inch digital driver display and a large 15-inch infotainment touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and built-in Google integration. The interface is smooth, intuitive, and user-friendly. Practicality is another strong point. The Enclave seats up to 7 passengers with second-row captain's chairs and a third row that folds flat at the touch of a button. Cargo space is among the largest in its class, making it ideal for families or long trips. The power hands-free lift gate and hidden storage compartments add extra convenience. Under the hood, it features a 3.6-liter V6 engine producing around 310 horsepower, paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission. The drive is confident and relaxed, built for comfort and stability rather than aggression. Its available all-wheel drive system and improved suspension offer better handling and a smoother ride, making highway travel easy and enjoyable. The steering is light yet precise, providing good control for city driving and tight turns. Safety and technology are major highlights. The Enclave includes automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and Buick's new Super Cruise hands-free driving system on select trims. These systems help reduce stress and make every journey safer and smoother. Ride comfort is outstanding. The suspension absorbs bumps effortlessly, and the cabin remains quiet even at higher speeds. Available massaging front seats, a panoramic moonroof, and a 14-speaker Bose sound system enhance the sense of luxury. Small touches like wireless charging, multiple USB-C ports, and tri-zone climate control keep everyone comfortable and connected. Fuel efficiency has improved slightly thanks to better aerodynamics and engine refinement, offering more miles per gallon without sacrificing performance. A mild hybrid version is also being considered for later in the model year. Overall, the 2026 Buick Enclave represents quiet luxury and practical innovation. It's elegant, safe, and comfortable, built for those who value refinement over flashiness. Whether for long family trips or daily commutes, it delivers a premium experience in every sense. In a market full of bold and complex SUVs, the Enclave stands out by being calm, capable, and confident. It proves that true luxury doesn't need to be loud. It can be simple, smooth, and sophisticated.